Welcome to SwitchMap's Shade Controller Installation and User Guide. This guide will show you how to set up and use the Shade Controller. You may take a look at the description below to skip to the section you wish to learn. Our Shade Controller is designed for electric curtains, rollers, or blinds. It can connect and control two sets of motors. Before you begin your installation, you will need to ensure the motor supports our controller's output signals. There are three types of signals you may select from. Use the signal wire switch to select one of these signals to suit your motor. Our controller sends out a signal at a time. It is not a constant signal. Please note, Type 3 signal is suitable for blinds and can only support one load. Set up your electric curtains, rollers, or blinds first. Once you're ready, connect the signal wires to the motors and power the device. Check your control before the next steps by pressing the open, close, stop buttons accordingly. If your control is reversed, you may change the signal wires or follow these steps. Use a pin and hold set button until the lights flashes. Hold open and close button for the load you wish to change. If the lights light up, it is in standard control. If it is flashing, it is reversed. Press open or close to alternate. Wait 10 seconds to confirm selections. Now, you're ready to join this Shade Controller to your SwitchMap network. If you have not yet created a network at the premise, you would need a USB coordinator. Go here to see how you can use this device to create a network and come back after following the instructions. To join the Shade Controller to an existing network is very easy. From the USB coordinator or a joint device, you may press the network button once. You will see the lights begins to flash, indicating your network is now released and ready to accept new devices. Now, from your new Shade Controller, you will need to hold the network button until the network lights begins to flash. This indicates the device is attempting to join to the open network. Wait until you see the network lights stays on to confirm join successful. If the lights flashes simultaneously, it indicates join unsuccessful. Joining network requires heavy wireless communication. Sometimes it gets interrupted during the process. If this happens, you should try again. Once joined, you can pair each loads to any control devices within the same network. To do this, you will need to begin from your remote or wall switch. Double press the set button, then hold the set button until the zone or number buttons begins to flash. Press to select the number button you wish to assign the load to. The top lights will begin to flash awaiting pairing. When successful, it will light on for 3 seconds. Now, from the Shade Controller, hold the set and open button of the load you wish to pair until it begins to flash. Your pairing should be complete. Any connected load can pair with multiple wall switch or remotes. If a button is already paired, it will be replaced. If by rare chance you feel your device is not operating normally, you may try to press the reset button or repower the device. This will allow the device to restart, rejoin network, and resume operation. If you wish to reset to clear all data and restore to factory settings, you will need to hold the network button, then press the reset button while holding the network button. All lights on the device will flash, indicating the device is reset. This is the end of the instruction and user guide. Remember, you may edit your settings anytime you wish. Just follow our steps. Thank you for watching.